Do you want to learn how to take better photos for eBay? Well, today I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks that you could use to get better photos. So let's get straight into it. So first off, you always want to make sure that your resolution is the best, and you want to make sure there's some sort of lighting in the photo. You could just use natural lighting through a window or something like that, or you could use the flash on your phone, which I don't recommend. Or you can order yourself one of these little small lights. You can order two or just one. I only have one. All I do is hold it right on the product, so then it's nice and bright while I'm taking the photo, so then people can see the photo even better and see all the colors, just see the details of the item. I also love to use a white background. White backgrounds, definitely you should use one. You could get it at the dollar store. Definitely, it's a great investment because a white background is always good. The reason why you might want one of these is because whenever you take a photo on a white background, people focus on the item even more. Compared to somewhere else, people might see some details, or people might see some furniture, and also the white kind of makes the colors pop a little bit. So definitely 100% recommend getting a white board. Just one at the dollar store, only $1. It's easy, just go get it. Also, positioning is very important too. You want to learn the best ways to take the photos. If you're selling shoes, you want to make sure that the shoes, especially the first photo is the most important, because while the customer is scrolling through all the items, it's the picture that mostly people look at. If your picture is one of the best pictures there, most likely they will click on yours. If it's the best angle, if it's the best resolution, everything matters when it comes to the first photo. You want to make sure it's as good as possible. You want to make sure the product isn't too close to the camera or it isn't too far from the camera. You want to make sure it's kind of balanced out. You want to make sure that it's not hard to see in any sort of way. Also, when you become a little bit more professional and when you start selling a lot more every single day and you take photos a lot more, this is optional. You could order a camera, like a professional camera, to take photos with. I don't do that. I think I'm going to stick to my phone for a long time because it's convenient to have it on your phone and then list it on your phone. But it's up to your preferences. I just like to do it, and I'm comfortable with doing it through my phone. Also, phones these days have great cameras. All the iPhones, all the Androids, the newer ones have very good cameras. These phone cameras might be even better than like actual cameras. So that's why I recommend, if you have a iPhone, like a new iPhone or whatever, and it can take good photos, then I recommend you just leaving it and just using your phone to take the photos. And at the same time, it will be 100,000,000% easier to put up the listings because you just take the photos and then go to gallery and upload them straight to your product listing. I'll leave something like this. I'll try to find this exact one, but I'll leave something like this in the description so you could try to go find it. And if you want, you could buy it. It's not that expensive. Trust me, it's like 50 bucks. You could wait until you sell more to buy this. You don't need it 100% right away. You could just use normal lighting, or you could just use a light bulb, just a normal lamp that you have, because that's what I used to do at the beginning. Anyways, guys, those are going to be the main things you could do to improve your photos. And that's pretty much going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. Also, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. Comment down below any video you want me to do next. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.